This 2019 Winnebago Outlook 25J is a Class C RV. It is located in Norman, Oklahoma, 73072 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago and features sleeps 7 and 37 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, rear bath. This 2019 Winnebago Outlook 25J is built on a Ford E350 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.